Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell. So yeah, let's get started. So I haven't actually filmed the Tower of Hell video for so long, guys, and I don't know why, but I haven't been really into Tower of Hell these days. So yeah. But I'm gonna play again, which I'm not really good at Tower of Hell, so yeah. And I'll also have my friend's channel in the description box down below. Go subscribe to her. Her channel is amazing. So yeah. And sorry guys, like some videos I edit my videos, but some videos I don't edit my videos. I don't really know why, and I just fell by talking. So guys, tell me in the comment section down below what videos I should do, because I'm running out of ideas of what videos I should post. I'm gonna go Pro Towers. Ooh, yay, invincibility. Awesome, let's go. I haven't seen people buying invincibility for so long, so this is a great opportunity. I'm going to that for no reason. Okay. Okay, it's much easier when you have invincibility. You can just jump on the kill part and they won't kill you, which is so great, guys. So yeah, guys. I'm sorry for the background noise. So yeah, guys. Go up. So guys. So yeah. So yeah. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I thought I was, oh god. I fell, but not as much, so yeah, guys. So yeah, sorry for the background noise. I just say that. Oh god, why did I fall? Oof, I fell. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!